Welcome back. Time now for the financial week. Jamaica's trade deficit shrank by 3% in 2024, down to just over $5.4 billion from $5.59 billion the year before. Statin reports total imports at $7.29 billion, while exports amounted to $1.87 billion. Imports fell by 4%, driven by a drop in raw materials and fuel purchases. Export revenue also dipped, down 6.7%, mainly due to a sharp 62.9% fall in re-exports, though domestic exports rose by 11%. Jamaica's top import partners were the US, China, Brazil, Japan, and Colombia, with a 4% cut in import spending, mostly on fuel. On the export side, the top 5 destinations were the USA, Russia, the Netherlands, Canada, and Iceland, where revenues rose 20% thanks to higher crude material exports. Berger Paints Jamaica has reported a major financial rebound for its 2024 fiscal year, posting a profit before tax of $151.8 million, a dramatic swing from the $255.8 million loss recorded in 2023. The turnaround comes on the back of strong revenue growth and improved cost efficiency. Berger Paints revenue climbed by $134 million, reaching $3.5 billion, a 4% increase over the previous year. The company credited its performance to a continued focus on cost containment and operational excellence, which yielded a 50% cost of goods sold. The JSE index declined by 500 points, while the junior market index advanced by 8 points. Advancing shares outnumbered declining shares by almost 2 to 1. 60 shares advanced, including General Accident, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Kintyre Holdings, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and G West Corporation. 37 declining shares were led by A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings US dollar shares, Edufocal, AMG Packaging and Paper, JPS 7% preference shares, and Dolphin Cove. 20 stocks traded firm. To some currency trading now. The Jamaican dollar had a difficult trading day today. Trading ended with the US dollar selling for an average $159.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.93. The pound is going for $210.92, while the euro is selling for an average $181.85. And that's the Financial Week news from overseas and the bite of the week after the break.